We farm in the Belair Provincial Forest. I'm the 4th generation here, Dustin's the 5th. My grandma and grandpa homesteaded here just 100 yards from where our house is today. We still share the same well that they used. So in this picture here, that's my grandpa and my grandma and my grandpa's dad. And this is just some of the lumber they cut. They use horses in their camps, like these are a bunch of their horses here. And this is the sawmill. The sawmill used to be just on the top of that hill, right where our house is overlooking right now. My name is Laura. I'm a beef producer from Stead, Manitoba. My husband Ryan and I own and operate Sawmill Creek Livestock, and we raise cattle and sheep. I spent some years away from the farm working on other ranches like in Western Canada, and I was in Australia for a bit and then working up north, and that's how I met Ryan. I always wanted to end up back here, like here specifically, because just all my best memories growing up were like here, like we call it the old farm. So we've guided in the Yukon, Northwest Territories, Nunavut, northern Saskatchewan, northern Manitoba, all fly-in, all super remote, living in a tent. It was great. That's one of the main reasons why cattle was so attractive to both of us, because we can spend time out here working with the cattle in the wild, in the bush.
Our landscape in Western Canada evolved under a grazing regime. The ecosystems that we have here depend on disturbance to regenerate. Grazing is an important disturbance that helps to reinvigorate ecosystems and habitats in our region. What the rancher calls pasture, we call wildlife habitat. This grassland is home for lots of wildlife species.
You'll find more deer, bears, foxes, wolves, like you name it, everything where the cattle have grazed and cleaned it up. They're not the only ones eating the grass. And if it grows up nice and green after they've grazed it, that's going to bring everything else in to definitely work together. If you look at where the cattle are living and that, like it's improving, it's enhancing the environment. Like it looks better than it did 10 years ago, 20 years ago. It just looks better all the time.
When we look at this landscape right now, doing all the good things that we want for the environment, like storing carbon, water infiltrates into the soil and things like that, lots of wildlife, we can't eat this landscape. However, cattle can. Cattle can eat all of the forage here, convert it to a very nutritious, desirable foodstuff called beef.
It's our job, just like it was my grandpa's job and my dad's job before, to take care of the land so that it's, ready to go for the next generation. That's kind of the whole point of everything, is just to keep on passing it along. Uh-oh. The thing I enjoy most about being a farmer would be just the lifestyle. Like, it's pretty much all the things that we love, like cattle, being outside, working as a family, making your own rules. Well, we don't make the rules, the cows do, but yeah, it's just all those things rolled into one awesome life.